Hello, in this video, I will be guiding you through how to open a Robinhood Brokerage account so you can start investing. So first, what you will have to do is download the Robinhood app on your phone or just go to robinhood.com, which is right here. And then after that, you will just have to click this sign up button right here on the top right corner. And of course, you gotta accept all the cookie, and now you will just have to sign up. And once you sign up, you will just have to enter your personal details like your full name, your email, your date of birth, your social security number, or local equivalent for outside USA, and residential address as well. And after that, Robinhood uses this for identity verification, by the way. And yeah, after that, you will just answer questions about your employment, investment experience, and financial information, and upload a government ID if requested. Then you will agree to the terms, complete identity verification, and fund your account via bank transfer, ACH, or other supported funding method. And finally, you will set up a security, enable 2FA, add account alerts, and review the account verification email. And that's basically it. And thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.